In this video, I'll show you how to join a private server in Steal a Brainrot. First, open Roblox and search for Steal a Brainrot. Click on the official game page. Now go to the Servers tab. Scroll down until you see the full list of servers. Here you will see friend servers and also other available servers. Now this part is important. Look for the Sort option and change it to Ascending. When you select Ascending, the servers with the least players will appear at the top. This makes it easier to find small or almost empty private servers. You may see private servers with only one player inside. If the server allows you to join, simply click on Join. Roblox will automatically open the game client and connect you to that server. And that's it. That's how you use the Ascending option to join a private server in Steal a Brainrot.